Which of the following statements best describes the turtle according to the text? A. The turtle was the first submarine used during war to destroy another ship. B. The turtle was the first submersible used during war to attack another ship. C. The turtle was the first submersible used during war to destroy another ship. D. The turtle was the first submarine used during war to attack another ship. Or E. The turtle is the biggest and fastest watercraft in all of human history. In order to answer this question, we need information from the third paragraph, which I have posted here. Here we find a description of the turtle. The turtle was the world's first submarine used in combat. Based on this sentence alone, we can already eliminate choices B and C, as both of them refer to the turtle as a submersible. When reading the text, we can see it is clearly described as a submarine. The text also tells us that the turtle moved about 3 miles per hour in calm water. Based on this, choice E, the turtle is the biggest and fastest watercraft in all of human history, can be marked as incorrect, as 3 miles per hour is not very fast, in addition to the fact that the text goes on to describe many bigger and faster watercrafts that were invented later on. We are left with A, the turtle was the first submarine used during war to destroy another ship, and D, the turtle was the first submarine used during war to attack another ship. Looking at these choices, we can see the only difference is that one says the turtle destroyed another ship, and one says it merely attacked it. We can find the answer in a careful reading of the text. Sergeant Ezra Lee operated the turtle and attempted to affix underwater explosions to the British ship, but he failed. Because the sentence tells us that Lee failed, we have no proof from the text that the turtle was ever used to destroy another ship, and we can select D, the turtle was the first submarine used during war to attack another ship, as our final answer.